Hey there, I'm Beverly and welcome to Out of Thinaer. This is our brand new podcast where we're going to focus on all things IoT and digital transformation. At Thinaer, we help you optimize your operations by giving you the data that you need to run your business. Imagine knowing what tools and materials you have, where they are, and what they're doing in real time. We give your employees the data that they need to make better decisions. We do this by giving them new tools to help track and monitor your assets, increasing efficiency and decreasing lost and wasted resources. So join us as we interview subject matter experts starting with our very own Thinaer team. They'll talk about all things IoT and beyond. Subscribe now and stay tuned for our first episode of Out of Thinaer.